alien societies, government, and culture, comparing and contrasting. All right, let's dive into one of the most intriguing topics in the realm of astrobiology: alien societies, government, and culture. When we think of alien civilizations, we often envision advanced beings with complex societies and governments. But what would these be like? How would they function? And how would they compare to our own? To understand this, let's first consider the concept of governance. In human societies, we see a variety of governments: monarchies, democracies, anocracies, each with its strengths and weaknesses. We might assume that intelligent life, however, it's possible that their cultural and environmental contexts might influence their approach to governance. If we look at the possibility of a galactic-scale government, things get even more complex. With potentially countless intelligent species, it's unclear whether a single, unified government could be established. Perhaps a more likely scenario is a system of governing councils or alliances between different civilizations. After all, we see similar arrangements in interstate diplomacy here on Earth. Now, let's consider the topic of culture. Culture is a product of both biology and environment, shaping an alien society's values, art, and even their perception of time. We can't rule out that some species might have developed unique cultural expressions that we can't even begin to comprehend. Perhaps they'd have an awareness of the entire galaxy as a shared, interconnected entity. Alternatively, their culture might be heavily influenced by their planetary environment. Think of the Earth's vast array of ecosystems and how they've shaped our cultures. Another interesting aspect to consider is the relationship. Would advanced civilizations develop in a way that's indistinguishable from our own? Or would they arrive at a completely novel solution to the challenges of life? We see this happening right here on Earth, where, for instance, nomadic tribes live in harmony with their environment using minimal technology, while others exploit their surroundings with vast, interconnected systems. The dynamics of an alien society's power structures are another area of comparison. On Earth, we see various models of decision-making, from monarchies to collective councils, but what if we were to encounter an alien civilization with a completely different understanding of authority and power distribution? Perhaps they'd organize their power structures around meritocracy, age, or species-specific traits. As we evaluate the idea of alien societies, governments, and cultures, it's essential to remember that any civilization we might encounter will likely be shaped by factors we can hardly grasp, such as their relationship with their planetary environment and global interconnectedness. This offers us a fascinating challenge in the study of astrobiology, not only to imagine the types of governments and cultures we could encounter, but to better understand our own,